Hello everyone, I'm Swati. I'm here with my new module of a new chapter. Okay, what what you are seeing in this page? What is written here? 1, 5, 16, 28, 37, and 59. We can say that these are some numbers. These are some natural numbers. Okay, now what you are seeing here? This is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 17 by 7, 2 whole 3 by 4, 23 by 3, 5 whole 1 by 2. We can say that these are some fractional number. Okay, these are some fractional number. What is this? These are some different types of numbers called decimal number. This is 1.5, 2.6, 8.5, 17.5, 25.625, 37.05. Today we are going to study about decimal numbers. Okay, let's start. First you see the mind map of this chapter, that what we have to study in this chapter. First we have to study the introduction part. In that part we study definition and important terms, types of decimal and comparison between decimals. After that we study representation, that is place value chart of a decimal number and expanded form. Conversion of decimal, that how we convert decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal. And last we study operation on decimals, that the four fundamental operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division over decimals. So first we start from introduction part. Student, what is the definition of decimal? What is decimal? Number expressed in decimal forms are called decimal numbers or decimals. As example, 3.1, 2.25, 125.80, 7.285, etc. These are some decimal numbers. Okay? A decimal number consists two parts, first part and the second part. After the decimal point, this part is called decimal part and this part is called whole number part. What is whole number part? The number on the left side of a decimal point. The number on the left side of a decimal point is called the whole number part, and the decimal point along with the number on its right side. The decimal point along with the number on the right side of decimal point is called decimal part. It means a decimal number consists two parts. One is the whole number part and the second is the decimal part. The left side of the decimal point is called whole number part and the right side along with the decimal point is called decimal part. Okay. Student, this is 30.625. This decimal number, read it as 30.625. We cannot read it as 30.625. This is not the correct way. The correct way is 30.625. After decimal, we read separate digit, that is 6 to 5. It is not 625. Okay. Now we study about decimal places. What is decimal places? The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal provides the number of decimal places. Okay, the number of digits. The number of digits contained in the decimal part. The number of digits contained in the decimal part. Decimal part, it means right side of the decimal point provides the number of decimal places. As we take this as an example, 30.625. What is the decimal place here? 1, 2, 3. After decimal point, how many digits are there? 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So decimal place is 3. Okay. Some more examples are here. 412.365 has 3 decimal place. Why it has 3 decimal place? Because it has 3 digits after the decimal point. 3.05. How many decimal place? Yes, 2 decimal place because it has 2 digit after the decimal point. 8.1. It has only 1 decimal place because it has only 1 digit after the decimal point. Okay. Now we learn about the different types of decimals. There are two types of decimal, like decimals and unlike decimal. What is like decimal? Decimal having the same number of decimal places are known as like decimal. Decimals having the same number of decimals places are known as like decimal. As an example, 3.298 and 35.865 are like decimal. Why these are like decimals? Because both have 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimal. 5.25, 8.03. It has 2 decimal place. Also it has 2 decimal place. So both are the like decimal. Okay. What is unlike decimal? Decimals having different number of decimal places are known as unlike decimals. Decimals having different number of decimal places. Here we have two decimal number. First is 28.52 and second is 3.6. It has two decimal place. It has only one decimal place. So both are unlike decimal. 3.25 and 82.625. So it has 3 decimal places and it has 2 decimal places. So both are unlike decimals. Okay. Now we learn about the place value chart for decimal number. Okay. This is a place value chart. This is the decimal point. In the right side of decimal, the number represent, the first is tens, hundreds, then thousand. On the left side of the decimal, this is ones, tens, hundred, like the Indian place value chart. Okay. If we have to represent 521.375 in this place value chart, okay, first we put this point here. Now 521, it is 521. 5 is on 100 place, 2 is on tens place and 1 is on ones place. So this is 5, 2, 1. Now 375, 3. After point the first digit is tenth, second hundredths and third thousands. So it is 375. Okay. 500 plus 20 plus 1 point 3 tenth, 3 7 hundredths and 5 thousandths. Okay. The next example is 35.005. 35. In the left side of the decimal, only 2 digits are there, 35. It is on 10th place, it is on tens place and it is on ones place. 35. Now decimal 005. On 10th place 0, on 100th place 0 and on thousandth place it is 5. Okay. Next is 6.5. On the left side only one digit, so it comes under the ones and point and this is 5. Okay. On the left side of the decimal point, decimal part represent. This is decimal part and this is whole number part. On right side decimal part, on left side whole number part. Okay. Student, tens place it means into 10. Okay. Tens place means into 10, 100 place means into 100. Similarly, 10th place it means 1 by 10. 100th place means 1 by 100 and 1000th place it means 1 by 1000. Okay. expanded form of a decimal. We have to express this number in expanded form. Okay, we represent it in the table 521.375. Now we have to express this in expanded form. 521. Where is 5? 5 is on hundreds place. So we can write it as 500 plus 2. Where is 2? 2 is on tens place. So 20 plus 1 is on ones place. 1 plus where is 3? Tenth place. So 3 by 10 plus 7. Where is 7? Hundreds place. So we can write it as 7 by 100 plus where is 5? 5 is on thousands place. So 5 by 1000. Okay, this is the expanded form of 521.375. Okay, the next is 35.005. How we express it? 3 is on 10th place, so we can write it as 30 plus 5 is on ones place, 5 plus 0. Then 5 is on thousands place, so directly we write 5 by 1000. Clear? Now next is 62.055. 6 is on tens place, so we can write it as 60 plus 2 is on ones place, so we write it as 2 plus 10th place 0. So we are going to the hundreds place. Hundreds place is 5, so we write it as 5 by 100 plus again 5 is on thousands place, so we can write it as 5 by 1000. It is very simple. Okay, now we learn comparison of decimal, that how we compare between decimals. So for comparison of decimal, what we have to do? First we have to convert the decimals into like decimals. Like decimals, it means we have to make the decimal places of all the decimals number equal. Then compare the whole number parts. The decimal having greater whole number part is greater. Then we compare the decimal having greater whole number part is greater. Okay. If the whole number parts are equal, then compare the 10th digit place. The decimal having greater 10th place digit is greater. If the 10th digit are equal, then compare the 100 digit place. And if the 100 digits are same, then we go on 1000 digit. Okay. Now we understand with the help of some example. 30.60 and this is 33.25. 30.60 and 33.25. First we compare the whole number part. This is 30 and this is 33. Which one is greater? Yes, 33 is greater. It means this decimal is greater than this decimal. So what we write? 30 is greater than 33 is greater than 30. So 33.25 is greater than 30.60. Now it is 625.50 and 625.50. The whole number parts are equal, 625, 625. So now we move on 10th digit place. The 10th digit place is 5, again here is 5. It means 10th digit place are also equal. Now we move on 100th digit. Here 100th digit is 0 and here it is 5. It means this one is greater. Therefore 625.55 is greater than 625.50. Now we have one question. Arrange the following decimals into ascending order. Here we have some decimal number. We have to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, the first decimal number, it has two decimal place, it has two decimal place, it has two decimal place, it has three decimal place, and this number also have three digit place. So first we have to convert all the decimals into like fractions, like decimals. So what is the maximum decimal place? Yes, 3. So we have to convert all the decimal numbers into 3 decimal places. So this becomes 2.980, 3.750, 0.080, 4.679 and 0.007. Now all the decimal numbers have equal decimal places. Now we compare the decimals. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 0. Which one is the smaller? 0 and 0. We have to arrange it in ascending order. So first we have to write the smaller one. This is 0 and this is 0. Now we come to 10th digit place. Again the 10th digit place are equal. Now we move on 100th digit place. This is 8 and this is 0. It means this one is smaller. So 0.007. Then which one comes? This one, 0.080. After that, this decimal place have two whole. In whole part there is two number. In whole part 3. In whole part 4. It means this is the smaller, 2.980, then 3.750 and the last 4.679. It means this is the greater decimal number and this one is the smaller decimal number. In the given series, this one is the smaller and this one is the greater. So this number is in ascending order. That's all for today. Now note down your homework. Your homework is also uploaded on the school website. Take care and have a nice day.